The landmark IBM Bharti Airtel contract has now come under fire, with IBM ordering an internal inquiry into alleged malpractices by employees that were part of this deal. In fact, reports also seem to suggest that IBM has sacked a few employees as part of this investigation. Chandra Srikanth is joining in from Bangalore with more details. Chandra, tell us, what the story really here is and what's being probed. What are the allegations?
That's right. IBM actually instituted this internal investigation based on a demand by Bharti Airtel, which is one of its most important clients in India. And the basis for this particular probe, according to a few reports, are that employees involved in the deal, both on Airtel side and IBM side, favored a particular firm when it came to subcontracting work for gains. And this is in violation of the compliance rule policies that both Bharti Airtel as well as IBM follows. Now, the firm under the scanner is a firm founded by former employees of IBM, and it was alleged that people involved in this deal were giving out a larger portion of the subcontracting work to this particular firm because they were gaining from this. So, as a part of this probe, Bharti Airtel earlier even sacked its own CIO JMN, and he was forced to leave a few months back. That is essentially because of this contract, and from what we understand from our sources, they had also asked IBM to institute an internal inquiry into this. And according to media reports, a few employees have been sacked in the last few weeks, and they are really putting together proper compliance procedures, because remember, the Bharti Airtel IBM contract is coming up for renewal shortly. So IBM will not want to lose out on that, because this was a landmark deal when it was signed 10 years back, a $2 billion deal. So I don't think they want to lose out on it when it comes out for renewal. Now, we did reach out to IBM and Bharti Airtel. While IBM said that they cannot comment on confidential client transactions, Bharti Airtel declined to comment.